Ján Figeľ, European Commission Special Envoy for Promotion of Freedom of Religion or Belief outside the EU, spoke at Alliance Française de Karachi on Towards an Education System for Human Rights and Pluralism. The envoy, while maintaining that education is the most influential tool to change society, insinuated towards nexus between fundamentalism and madrassas in Pakistan. When reminded that militants, including Taliban, were formed by the West to fight Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, he said,
"History cannot be changed, but history can be used as a lesson to avoid either mistakes or dramas, tragedies of the past, and on the other side to learn from the inspirational countries or events. And European Union today does not represent everything what was historically here done or somehow mismanaged in the past. We represent a community living in peace and working on peace globally. I think that the answer to the legacy after Soviet years and conflict in Afghanistan is to build conditions for peace, stability and prosperity of Pakistan and reform or get rid of the remnants of that time. And one of the problems and challenges is to reform madrassas, to be more open, more transparent, and educate not only religious studies but also other knowledge or sciences for kids and young generation. It is addressable. European Union really helps to reform curricula and build modern education. We invest in 7 years 1/3 of our support, which is 650 million altogether, 1/3 to educational cooperation. And we are ready to do more even in future years to come, but the basic homework, the basic decisions, legislative or institutional, must be agreed upon and realized by Pakistani authorities and Pakistani people.
When told that despite European Union efforts, the powers here want continuation of status quo, Ján Figeľ said,
"Status quo is not good for Pakistan. Status quo means weak government. Status quo means very slow or inefficient justice. And the country needs to speed up in positive sense, especially in some regions or provinces. I would like to encourage all Pakistani people to learn from recent history or from the problems of the time, and to see religion as something what inspires or encourages for living together, not for divisions or hatred. Because many people, even leaders, some leaders want to misuse religious feelings of people against the other or for their political objectives. And this is abuse of religion. European Union has a lot of experience from the transition from totalitarian or wartime. Even former Czechoslovakia, I'm Slovak, lived under invasion and occupation. And we have been able to get rid of this legacy, not easily, but still. And I am sure that we can help to get rid of this legacy also to Pakistani.